Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a VA disability claim step by step. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, which generally involve having a service-connected disability. Next, collect all relevant documents, including your service medical records and any private medical evidence. This preparation is crucial for a smooth application process. We'll guide you through each stage, making it easy to understand and complete your claim effectively. Once you've identified your conditions, gather strong medical evidence, such as doctors' reports, diagnoses, and treatment records. Don't forget to include lay statements from people who can attest to how your disability affects your daily life. You can submit your claim through the VA website, by mail, or by visiting a regional office. Choosing the online method often provides the quickest processing time. After submission, the VA will review your evidence and may schedule you for compensation and pension, or C&P, exams. These exams are vital for the VA to assess your condition. Be sure to attend all appointments and provide any requested additional information quickly. You can track your claim's progress online, which helps you stay informed about its current status and next steps. When the VA makes a decision, you'll receive a letter detailing the outcome and your disability rating if applicable. Read this letter thoroughly to understand the decision. If you disagree, you have several appeal options, including a supplemental claim, higher-level review, or board appeal. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. We're here to help you navigate these important steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.